boxes of cats. And they're giving me these instructions, and I'm standing there for like 20 minutes. This woman is grilling me on the instructions of post-op.
So we're only a mile and a half. Wow. Okay, so we're stopping here for a minute. This is one of the shelters that is closed to camping because of aggressive bear activity. And they even, looks like, have a trail cam set up out here. Anyway, we're gonna take a little break. So I realized I forgot to say good morning. So good morning, guys. It's been kind of a whirlwind morning, and we got started really fast. All right, I'm gonna stop here for a second because I'm going uphill and I can't catch my breath. So the shuttle picked us up this morning at 8:30 and took us up to Allen Gap, and we are slack packing, which means just the essentials. 15 miles back down to Hot Springs. We'll spend the night there and then take another shuttle in the morning back up to where we started this morning and then go north. And that kind of helps us circumvent the bear closures without trying to do a 23-mile day or more. But anyway, good morning. The guys are moving pretty fast. We've been going uphill solid, so it's beautiful, but it's been hard, even with, you know, only 5 pounds or so in my pack. Ooh, I love this kind of trail. It's rare, but man, I enjoy it so much. The rocks up there. I'm looking for a bear. I can sure understand why they like it here. Definitely cooler this morning than it has been by quite a bit. I'm really glad about that because we're having so many ups and, you know, straight ups and straight downs today that it's been nice to have the breeze and the cool temp. So I gotta say, kind of looked down on slack packing at first. I'm a little bit of a purist, and so I kind of looked down on it, but after today, no, I do not. It is awesome. I cannot believe how light. I mean, it's like I'm not carrying anything. It's wonderful. I'm just flying along. It's great. We're up here, you just can't really see. Be cool if you had a view. Another grave. Or headstone. It's a pretty place. Okay. Okay, I see a white blaze right there. Another road crossing. Okay. Alright. Looks like that's probably us over there with the bear warnings up. Some socks if anybody wants them. I'll bring them back.
Crippling fear of height.
We'll go to Damascus, so why head out on the trail? Because last, I was getting the top, past the. What's
There's
this?
Snowbird Peak.
I passed it, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
And there was like a little campsite, and it was starting to rain, and he had just passed me like 2 minutes before.
Dude, he looked rough. Like
Yeah.
the first night of trail days, they looked a little more rough for the second.
Yeah.
It's kind of a longer, ain't it?
Yeah.
Go out.
He was real scared, but it would bark, you know, like you were scared, and he kind of barked as he turned, but he would jump back like he was really scared. I felt bad for him. Somebody must have left it dumping out.
Aww. I always found that just so sad.
They don't understand what they do when they dump the dog out.
No. They either don't understand or they don't care.
Yeah.
Well, this is interesting. This is cool.
Hey, we just came off that mountain.
Yes, we did.
Clown Tower.
Just came off that. Me too. Alright, well, short-lived, but at least it was different. Whew, that's interesting. Let you go ahead. Oh, wow. What kind of house is that? Oh, okay. That?
What?
What kind of house is that? Is that high up?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. That's for a skinny wood duck.
They're non-migratory.
Mud River. Whew. All that rock above. Wow. It's all rock. This is a little crazy. Wow. Pretty cool, huh? And we just came down from way up there. Trail goes all the way along the river. Guys, it's about 10 o'clock. We ended up getting back to the hostel and doing some laundry and taking a shower and eating. I ate an entire pizza. It was really good. I am absolutely exhausted today. I think the heat's really getting to me. I'm sweating a lot and getting I think I'm getting a little too dehydrated. So the guys that I'm hiking with, we are gonna shuttle back up to Allen Gap tomorrow and then continue on north. They are wanting to do a 17-mile day tomorrow. Not sure that I can do that. If I can, I will, but I'm just not sure with a full pack and with the heat and everything. So I'm just going to play it by ear. If I need to, I'll just back off a little bit and I'll stop at the shelter that's 11 miles and instead of continuing on. I'm just going to play it by ear and see. I know that I'm really, really tired tonight. Even slack packing today, doing 15 miles, just really wore me out. Anyway, that's pretty much all I got tonight. And I will talk to you bright and early in the morning. Night.